Most people don't fail because they lack ideas, talent, or opportunity. They fail because they chase fast money the same way a cheetah chases prey, with explosive speed, zero patience, and total dependence on the instant win. And like the cheetah, chasing fast money can bring occasional success, but it's often fleeting. Here's the truth most people don't realize. A cheetah only succeeds in about 40 to 50% of its hunts, meaning half of its high-energy attempts end in failure, wasted effort, and lost energy. Fast, powerful, beautiful, yet still loses half the time. This is the cheetah problem. People think speed is the secret to wealth, but in reality, speed without strategy burns you out, drains your energy, and leaves you with nothing to show. The fast money mindset is why people jump from business to business, skill to skill, idea to idea, and end up broke, confused, and tired. Let's make this real. When you live with a cheetah mindset, here's what happens. 1. You burn energy faster than you build it. Cheetahs sprint at 120 kilometers an hour, but only for 20 to 30 seconds. After that, they're exhausted. Humans do the same financially. They sprint into crypto today, Forex tomorrow, betting next week, a sure business after that. Burst of energy to quick crash. Start, stop, change, start again. No momentum. No compounding, just constant exhaustion. 2. You underestimate the cost of failure. When a cheetah fails a hunt, it's not just disappointment. It's lost calories, lost strength, lost chance for survival. When a human fails a fast money chase, they lose time, they lose capital, they lose confidence, they lose consistency, and they often lose the courage to try anything stable again. Fast money creates big emotional scars. 3. You keep thinking you're one big breakaway. Cheetahs don't stalk for hours. They calculate, then sprint. Fast money thinkers also calculate, but emotionally. This one must pay. This one will change everything. This one is the one. So they chase again, and again, and again. Not because it's wise, but because they're addicted to the idea of fast success. The sad truth? Most never realize they're trapped in a cycle that guarantees long-term failure. Let me tell you a story that flips the entire mindset. There are two animals in the African savanna. The cheetah, fastest land animal, unmatched speed, born sprinter, high effort, short output, fails about half of its hunts. Then there's the African wild dog. Not fast, not glamorous, not famous, but it has the highest hunting success rate of any mammal on land, about 85 to 90%. Why? Not speed, not talent, not big wins, but strategy, teamwork, consistency, and endurance. They don't sprint, they don't rush, they don't depend on luck. They use long-term strategy, calculated effort, gradual pressure, consistency, patience, and persistence. And because of that, they eat more than cheetahs, a lot more. Here's the punchline. In the money world, most people are cheetahs. The wealthy are wild dogs. The wealthy don't try to get rich fast. They build systems that produce predictable wins. They don't sprint. They compound. They don't gamble. They build skills. They don't jump from idea to idea. They deepen expertise. The fast money mindset is exciting. The wealth-building mindset is effective. And the question is, which one are you? Let's walk through how you transform from a cheetah thinker to a wild dog thinker.
1. Stop chasing one big kill. Cheetahs depend on one big success, but wealthy people depend on multiple small wins with compounding effects. Examples: daily investing, small digital product income, freelance skill mastery, YouTube content library, resale business with long-term customers, learning high-income skills. One consistent $10 a day beats one lucky $500 chance. 2. Shift from speed to direction. A cheetah asks, how fast can I get something? A wealthy mind asks, where is the best direction to invest long-term? Direction beats speed every single time. 3. Build systems, not sprints. Wild dogs have a strategy. They know the terrain. They coordinate. They conserve energy. Wealthy people do the same. Budgets, investment plans, business processes, content calendars, compounding strategies, networking, personal development routines. Systems keep winning even when motivation is low. 4. Be okay with slow wins. Slow money is stable. Slow money compounds. Slow money builds confidence. Slow money teaches discipline. Slow money turns into wealth. Fast money turns into stories. 5. See failure as feedback, not defeat. A cheetah fails a hunt and rests. A wild dog adjusts and hunts again, smarter. Your failure teaches you what business fits you, where your strengths lie, why consistency matters, how to improve the next attempt, where not to waste time again. Your losses are not the end, they're your training ground. Now here's what I offer you in this mindset shift. Adopt the Wild Dog Blueprint. 1. Pick one income path and stick to it for 12 months. No jumping, no sprints, no distractions. 2. Build a daily or weekly habit around it. Small actions that compound. 3. Track your progress, not your speed. Wealth is built on consistency, not intensity. 4. Focus on the skills that create predictable income. Content creation, sales, marketing, copywriting, tech skills, business operations, AI tools mastery. 5. Build long-term wealth through compounding, index investing, monetizable skills, digital assets, YouTube content, email lists, customer bases, documented systems. This blueprint doesn't feel as sexy as fast money, but it's real. It's predictable, and it will remove financial anxiety from your life permanently. So here's the question I want you to answer honestly. Are you living like a cheetah, sprinting, crashing, and repeating? Or are you ready to live like a wild dog, strategic, patient, and unstoppable? Because the wealth you want isn't found in speed. It's found in compound consistency. It's found in habits, in systems, in direction, in discipline, in long-term focus. If you switch your mindset today, the next 12 months of your life will look nothing like the last 12. Every wealthy person you admire, Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, Jay-Z, Bill Gates, built their success the wild dog way, not the cheetah way. Slow, consistent, strategic growth. This is the blueprint we teach on Wild Wealth. How to escape fast money traps, how to build real wealth, and how to create systems that grow even while you sleep. If this video inspired you and revealed a new insight, subscribe to Wild Wealth. Here we uncover the wisdom of the wild, lessons that can transform how you think, how you act, and the life you build. Join us and discover the mindset that turns insight into lasting success.